Alright, so I'm finally getting around to it. It's Monday. You'll have to forgive me. Saturday got away from me. We had storms and all that stuff, and Sunday wasn't any better. Had to go out and fix a bunch of stuff in the garden, and storms tore some stuff up out there and had to get it straightened up. But anyway, it's Monday. Fixing to go ahead and do this video. Alright, so let's cover some things that we're going to need for what we're going to do. First off, you are going to need specifically, and make sure if you do this, you get 4 aught. See right there, 4 zeros. Steel wool. You can get it at Home Depot. I can't never find it at our Walmart here. But Home Depot, Lowe's, stuff like that, over in the paint and sandpaper and stuff like that area is where they've got it here. But you're gonna need some 4 aught steel wool. You don't need RainX, but I'm gonna use RainX. Need some water, and you need a couple of terry cloth towels. What we're gonna be doing is some maintenance on the windshield. Just to show you how I do it. Been doing it for a long time. You can do it on your side view windows. Do not do this on your mirrors or your headlights unless your headlights are glass. If they're glass, your lenses, it's okay. If they're not, if they're like most of them are nowadays and they're just plastic cover housing, do not do this on your headlights. You'll screw it up. And your mirrors, you'll screw them up. You're gonna have to forgive me. I'm gonna just have to kind of hold this camera and go through this as a video, but my tripod's screwed up. The neck on it's broke, so just one thing after another. Anyway, welcome to 2020. Let's get this started. Alright, it's that time of year. Bugs are out. The windshields get harder and harder to clean. They just get caked up. And it's just a pain in the ass. So, an easy way to get all that off and keep it off is to follow these simple instructions. Yes, things look a little bit different under the hood now. All right, what you're gonna do is just take your steel wool and you're just gonna start scrubbing. I know you're thinking, holy crap, he's scratching his windshield all up. It's gonna be hazy. You're not gonna be able to see out of it or anything. Wrong. Now you can clean your windshield just with Windex or whatever your favorite window cleaning situation is, but hey, you're not going to get all the residue that's deep down in there and all that stuff. And just think how many paper towels you're going to waste, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out a bunch of this. But again, that's all you do. And yeah, if you take it to the car wash and high pressure wash it and all that first, yeah, it'll make it a little bit easier. But I don't mind a little elbow grease. So I'm gonna get a bunch of this done and I'll get back in a minute. Tempo. This does not hurt your windshield at all. But I promise you, if you do this to your mirrors or your headlights, you're not going to be happy. Do not do this to your headlights or your mirrors. And only do this if you choose to. I'm just merely making a suggestion. It takes a few minutes to get you out of the house, off the dang couch. All right, I got the big stuff. I got all the big stuff, but that's on the inside. But you can see little specks like that, little places. Like right here, stuff like that. Little small spots. Like up here. Just go back and just rub them off. You know, like that one right there. Just rub them off. You can feel them. It's just bugs. That's how hard they're stuck. Even when you wash your windshield, you don't get all that. When you run the squeegee blade across it, you see them streaks and stuff. That's those little bitty particles. What this does is it allows you to clean all that stuff. And it takes just a little bit of the layer off. Kind of like fine sanding. And then when you put either ceramic coat or whatever your choice is, I'm using RainX. I'm using RainX right now because that's what I got. I'm out of ceramic coat, so you know, it is what it is. That just helps those bugs that hit, and you need to do this routinely. This is routine maintenance. It just helps those bugs and all that stuff to come off easier, and not get stuck in the windshield, and you know, no matter how hard you scrub, they don't come out. So I'm gonna go through and knock out all these little parts, and I'll dust the windshield off a little bit and show you what it looks like from the inside and the outside, so that you can see it's not scratching it all up and everything like that. And I'll get on with the rest of it. All right, I got all the spots. You may see a couple of little specks like that. That's a rock chip. That's a rock chip. There's a couple of those, but windshield is not scratched all up or any of that stuff. It's clean. I've wiped it all off. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Step. Clean, clear. Not scratched all up. No damage, no nothing. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the directions on the RainX. That's all you gotta do, follow the directions. They're right back here. Just do what it says and everything will be cool. And this stuff does work pretty good. Ceramic coat, I think, is better. It lasts longer. I'm gonna go ahead and use it up. I'm gonna use this and just follow the directions. Water. If you choose to use water when you're removing the RainX, you don't need a whole lot. Just a few little drops, whatever. That may actually be a little too much. And it's just that simple. Now the windshield will be good to go for, I might do it once a month. I may do it every other month. It's just, like I said, preventive maintenance. Steel wool, like I said, to clean your windshield, really clean it. Ceramic coat or RainX or whatever you choose. I hope y'all like this video. I know it's been a while. We all been experiencing a crazy 2020. I hope y'all are all healthy and still running, working, doing what you need to be doing. Price, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. Let me know if you've ever done this before, if you've ever seen or heard of anybody doing this before. Leave a comment below on what your how you do your windshield, or if you do routine maintenance or anything like that. Maybe if you got a good suggestion, I'll try it out next time and see how it works. Peace. I'm out. I gotta go to California.